Westinghouse pressure washers are engineered to get the job done and provide you with a durable, dependable, and versatile tool. This video will help get you up and running. As always, be sure to read the provided owner's manual and QuickStart guide before use, and observe all safety guidelines. To begin, you'll need a utility knife, fresh, clean, unleaded gasoline, and the 4-stroke engine oil provided with your packaging. To open, carefully cut along the top, then along the length of all 4 corners of the box. Remove the pieces from the packaging and begin by installing the handle to the frame. Push in the snap pins and press down on the handle until you hear it lock into place. Using the provided hardware, attach the spray gun holder to the frame. Insert the color-coded nozzles into the corresponding holder. Next, if the wheels aren't already connected to the unit, install them by using the provided hardware. Attach the lance to the spray gun and hand tighten. Then connect the spray gun to the high-pressure hose and hand tighten the fitting. Be sure not to over-tighten in either of these steps. Next, locate the outlet fitting on the pump at the bottom of the unit and attach the other end of the high-pressure hose. Add the provided 4-stroke engine oil, carefully following the instructions included in the owner's manual. Select the best nozzle for your desired application and lock the spray gun. Depress the collar at the end of the spray lance and firmly insert the nozzle. Then gently pull on the nozzle to ensure that it is securely in place. Always operate your pressure washer outdoors. Refer to your owner's manual for additional information on location requirements. Before adding fuel, be sure that you are using clean, fresh, unleaded gasoline with an 87% octane rating or higher and no more than 10% added ethanol. Be sure the area around the fuel cap is clean. Slowly add gasoline to the fuel tank, being careful not to overfill, and securely close the fuel cap. Never add gasoline when the pressure washer is running. Run water through your garden hose to clear any debris, and inspect the water inlet screen to make sure it is in place and unobstructed. Never operate with a missing or damaged inlet screen. Attach the garden hose to the inlet fitting and hand tighten. Use the shortest possible garden hose to get the job done. Your water supply must deliver a minimum of 3.8 gallons per minute at least 30 psi. Once attached, turn the water on and inspect for leaks. Squeeze the trigger to allow air to bleed from the hoses and pump. Before you start the motor, make sure your pressure washer is properly located and that the trigger lock is in the upright, locked position. Next, flip the engine switch to the on position. If your unit is equipped with one, slide the fuel valve to the on position. Move the choke lever to the choke position. Grasp and pull the starter handle slowly until you feel resistance, then pull firmly and rapidly. If the engine starts briefly, then stops, squeeze the trigger to relieve water pressure from the spray gun before trying again. Once the engine starts, move the choke to the run position and allow the engine to warm up briefly before washing. When washing, always point the spray gun in a safe direction. Begin by spraying farther away and moving closer. Most cleaning can be done at distances between 8 and 24 inches. Moving too close to the cleaning surface can cause damage, especially with high-pressure nozzles, so use caution. When using soap, use soaps designed for pressure washer use only, and prepare according to the manufacturer's directions. Be sure to attach the black nozzle. Always clean the soap siphon hose by submerging it in water after using. To stop your pressure washer, lock the spray gun trigger, then move the engine switch to the off position. If equipped with one, close the fuel shutoff valve. Next, turn off the water supply. Then unlock and depress the spray gun trigger to release any pressure from the hoses and pump. Disconnect the garden hose from the water inlet. Then complete all steps in the After Each Use section of your owner's manual. Following these important steps, along with the additional information and maintenance procedures included in your manual, will improve reliability and performance, and prolong the life of your new Westinghouse pressure washer.